Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 7, 8.7, syntax of a class declaration. As I told you already, every Java program is a composition of one or more classes. This means you may write a Java program only with one class. Many people put the main function also within the class declaration. That's why minimum one class is enough. Maximum any number of classes are required depending on the task of the program. And one more thing I have to tell you, no executable code should be placed outside the class declaration. No executable code, just I have to underline. That means if you have to write any comments or the documentation and all that, you may write outside the class. But whatever is the executable code, it may be data members or member functions or initialized blocks or anything, all the executable code should be written within the body of a class. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, class declaration starts with class. This is a keyword, lowercase. All keywords are in lowercase, that you know. Thereafter, class name. Class name should be a noun. You can build any Java class with any noun in the world. So, it should be a noun, and as per conventions, it should be in a Pascal case. Pascal case means all first letter of the word should be capital. If one word is there, like demo, first letter should be capitalized. If multi words are there, like room demo, all first letters of the word should be capital. That point always you must remember. And as far as Java names are concerned, except 1%, all names should be complete names. You should not be lazy. If you want to evolve as a Java programmer, you should not be lazy. You must write complete names. Already one or two examples I have given to you. Array index out of bounds exception. That is the name of a class. So it should be written in Pascal case. So you should not be lazy. Complete names you must write. Unlike in C++, C, Pascal, Python, etc. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, here it may be an empty class. Empty class, that means empty class, any name you give, just as an indicative or self-explanatory, I am giving to you. This is empty class. That means if you define any class with no statements also, it is treated as a technically valid class. You may get a doubt with a empty class what to do. You can create objects, you can instantiate objects, those are also empty. So technically these are valid. Okay. And thereafter, let us see the real syntax. Through empty class we cannot see the syntax. Now another class we see, that is a square class. Square class, you know, it is in Pascal case we have written first letter capitalized, it is a noun. Thereafter, inside int side, simple class I am writing, inside instance variable or instance field. Then like other C declarations and all that, we make the declaration int side. Thereafter, constructor. Constructor is a new concept. It is a standardized initialization method. You understand that? Standardized initialization method, like a set data. Already in the first chapter we used set data. So Java created a standardized initialization method. For that, no return type and all that. Whatever is the name of the class, you can use it. However, in this chapter I am going to explain. Uh, don't think of it, just see the syntax. Square, int side, this side is side. That is meant for initializing instance variables. That is, you understand that constructor means standardized uh, initialization method. For that, no return type is there. Class name should be the name of the constructor. You need not think of what name you have to give input data, set data, get data, and all that. You need not think of. Okay, that is a constructor. Thereafter, calculate square area instance method. Instance methods actually should be the name should be written in camel case. Camel, first word should start with a lowercase. If second word is there, second word onwards, every first character should be capitalized. That is the thing. And number two is the name of a method should be a verb or should start with a verb. It may be verb. Compute is valid. Compute square area, like that. It may be verb or it should start with verb. Why verb? Why verb means why methods are created for performing operations. That's why calculate square area. In this context, one thing you have to understand here, if you want this type of indicative short forms, you can use instead of calculate, CALC, like a short form you can use. With remaining all words you should write completely written side and side. So in this declaration, square class declaration, in this one instance variable or instance field, one constructor and one instance method we have created. Those are within the body of the class declaration. As I told you already, no single executable code should be placed outside the class declaration. That point you must remember. Remember, only comments if you want to write in the program, you can write outside the program, but you must remember that comments do not create any executable code. Those are meant for improving the readability of the program or they create self documentation of a program.